Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.
Guam's medical community remains ready to respond.
I don't think it's going to happen, but if something like this does happen, again, it's a mass casualty and recovery situation, and it's going to depend upon the health, human resources for health assets that we have after the weapon goes off. So it's going to be very difficult to predict that, but we have people who are ready.
Public Health Director James Gillen says the agency has an emergency plan in place and has assessed and readied trauma kits that can stabilize patients in the case of a possible emergency.
We'll have to look at our hazmat materials to see how much we have to be able to give to the nurses, because they should be wearing some kind of protection.
Meanwhile, Guam Regional Medical City Deputy Chief Medical Officer Dr. Agyeman said the hospital also has an emergency preparedness plan and has stocked up on supplies including food, water, and medical equipment.
We're as prepared as we can be for what would happen if it was a nuclear threat, if it was just a general threat. Basically, the only other thing that we needed to look at is what our decontamination process would be and where that would be if we got an influx of patients.
She adds the hospital has been briefed by Guam Homeland Security.
While they are watching the situation, there's no need to panic, and there's no need to activate our defense systems. But in-house, we just needed to go over our processes to make sure that we were ready to activate at a moment's notice.
As for the Guam Memorial Hospital, CEO Peter John Camacho says staff are ready if ever they get the call.
We do our best to be prepared as always. Part of our disaster management planning is we regularly exercise, different scenarios.
The hospital has a little over a 200-bed capacity, while GRMC has roughly 136.
So I have a lot of confidence in our own folks and in our own staff here, their dedication to getting out to help people as soon as they're able to.
Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Isa Baza.
Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.